Coco was a playful little cat who loved listening to beautiful sounds. She listened to birds singing in the morning. She listened to the wind dancing through the trees. She even listened to the raindrops tapping on the roof. Every sound made Coco smile. One afternoon, while exploring an old attic, Coco noticed a tiny wooden box covered in dust. "What is this?" she wondered. She gently wiped away the dust and slowly opened the lid. Musical note: ding, ding, ding. A sweet little melody filled the room. Coco sat quietly with tears in her eyes. Just then, a kind old cat walked by. "Why are you crying, little one?" he asked. "My music box is broken," Coco sniffled. The old cat smiled. Sometimes beautiful things can be fixed. Together, they carefully repaired the tiny music box. The old cat tightened a little screw. Coco polished the dusty gears. Finally, click! Musical note: ding, ding, ding. The beautiful melody returned. That evening, Coco carried the music box to the village square. Instead of keeping it to herself, she placed it where everyone could enjoy its music. Animals gathered together. They laughed. They danced. They sang beneath the evening sky. Coco smiled warmly. She realized that music sounds even more beautiful when it's shared. From that day on, every sunset ended with the little music box playing its happy tune, bringing smiles to every heart in the village. Cat face musical note: sparkles.